Local news for Wednesday, the 22nd of July. It was a busy June for real estate agents with 49 properties sold in Masterton, 24 in Carterton and 25 in South Wairarapa. Masterton's median price was $460,000 last month, Carterton $565 and South Wairarapa $645. Demand is well up on the same time last year. Exploring the Wellington region is now even easier thanks to deals being offered by local tourism businesses and experiences, targeting whānau across the Wellington region as well as visitors from the top of the South Island and those in drive-time regions. Wairarapa deals include the likes of Pukaha Mount Bruce and the Green Jersey Cycle Hire. Wairarapa and Kiranui colleges have progressed through to the Sheila Wynne Shakespeare Festival e-National finals, which will be assessed on the 25th and 26th of July. This year, 5 and 15-minute performances had to be filmed and submitted for consideration. And finally in sport, Dalefields men's hockey have scored a 4-2 win over Nainai and are 2 points clear at the top of the table, while the women picked up an 8-0 win at the weekend over Karori and set first equal. This weekend, both teams are away to Harbour City. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.